Andrew from the Logically team here. In today's video, we'll be using Logically's fund screener to be able to screen by market cap exposure. As mentioned in other videos, Logically's fund screener presets you to exchange traded products with a display currency in the US, where you have the ability to filter down by asset class, by market cap exposure, by sector exposure. In this video, we'll be going over market cap exposure, which again can be found by looking at classifications. So we see here that we give you the development level, fund focus, and sub focus, but we want to be able to see again market cap exposure. So we want to focus on, let's just say, small caps. And before we select apply, remember you're preset to this 12,900 funds of exchange traded products that are with a display currency in the US. So once we hit apply, we go from 12,900 all the way down to 529 funds with a security category of exchange traded product with a display currency in the US. Really effective to be able to narrow down your search from large cap to mid cap to small cap. As you can see, we chose small cap. And from there, we can begin to either choose different rankings or different fund focuses or sub focuses. And you can effectively hit any one of these and just select apply, and it will narrow down the search even more. You can save this down and it'll populate right up here again in your custom filter search, which you can have for your records. Again, if there's any questions you'd like a deeper dive, don't hesitate to reach out to Manny the chat box, where you can talk to a sales team member or a member of our customer success. We hope this was helpful. Please remember to continue to think logically and have a great day.